So this is part 2 of my review of the Pixel 4a. So what I want to be testing today is the games, see how they play on this hardware, on the Snapdragon 730 in the Pixel 4a, how it copes with it, if there's any stutter or anything, go through any of the details for the actual device, so we can have a look at the CPU and everything else, run a Geekbench score as well. So let's get started. So this is Call of Duty, and I have the volume set to maximum on the phone, and it does have stereo speakers. And just to note that I am crap at games, so don't expect anything brilliant, but this is just to give you an example of how it plays. And again, the phone is so light but still feeling strong, and the sound is, as you'll hear, is really good. I'm so glad it's got auto fire. I think we'll stick to simple. As you can see, there's no identifying lag in the game. The screen is really good. So that's an example of Call of Duty. I know it's a quick example, but it does load, as you saw when I opened it, really quick, and it wasn't in the background. Of course, when you first update it, all of these games have updates of some kind. And as you can see from the screen, I think we have it on nearly full brightness, and it's been controls and everything run fine. So that's the first game. So just to make sure, next one is Asphalt 9. Again, the volume is on full. As you can hear, its sound is coming from both sides. Again, just to remind you, I am crap, so I just thought I'd give you an example of the games playing on here. You can see there's no stuttering. And it plays just fine. Next one is a new game I've just downloaded from the Play Store. So I used the what's trending to see what the best games would be to test it. It seemed the most popular ones. As you can see, it loads up fast. You see it's loading down the right hand corner the game, and that's still more than fast enough. I'm not sure what we're supposed to be doing in this game, but we'll shoot someone anyway and just have a look, see what's going on. As you can see, there's no lag that I can identify. You can see when you're running around. Of course, there's not a lot going on right now in the game, but still smooth. Just to give you another example of a game, as I said, there's no problems loading this, and it loaded more than fast enough. So now we'll move on to have a look at the details of the phone. If you're interested, you can pause this screen on the video. So as we can see, Google Pixel 4a, the actual is called Sunfish. I think that's actually the project name of it. We've got 6 gigs of DDR4X, and it comes with 128 gigabytes, I believe. And as you can see, the free space, I've only got them games downloaded and of course normal OS. CPU, as we said before, is a Snapdragon 730, so it's got 6 cores at 1.8 gigahertz and another 2 at 2.2 gigahertz. 64-bit ARM, and you can see the clock speeds here and what is supported. The display, so it says the screen resolution is 1080 by 2030 40 or 2340. Is OLED, 5.8 inch, and pixel density is 444 dpi. Refresh rate is at 60 Hz, and that's the details of that. And of course it's running Android 10. So now we go to Geekbench and we'll run the CPU. I'll speed this part up so you can get to the final results. As you can see, we've now got a score, so the test took a few minutes, and we've got a single core score of 550 and a multi-core score of 1472. And to be honest, like I said, we have a look here at the results, comparing it to, of course, these more high-end flagships with the Snapdragon 855 Plus. Real world, are you going to notice a difference? I really don't think so. And to be honest, when you have a look at our score now, is for single core is 550, and then you've still got some of the Snapdragon's 845, that's 504, so it's performing better than one of the old flagships. I know it's a few years old now, but still, that's quite impressive. So this is why I think you'll find the phone for day-to-day use and even games really impressive on there. And yes, one thing I probably want to go through is to see about the fingerprint scanner, because I know it's on, as you might be able to see, it's on the back. And like I said before in my previous video, I don't find that a problem at all, and it's really quite convenient as well. So we can quickly see about if we can do that. I think it's called Pixel Imprint. So set up a pin. And now we set up the fingerprint. So let's see how fast it will do it. And it's that fast. So now let's lock it. And like I said, the buttons feel good as well, solid, and that's really quick for opening the phone as well. Touch now and it opens straight away. So yeah, the fingerprint scanner is really good as well. Yeah, so that's all the review for today. I might do another part 3 of night what's it called again? I think it's for night photography. So I might have a look at a night sight and take some pictures there as well of the camera, because as we all know, the Pixel are famous for having, even though they've only got either a single lens camera, the AI Google software that processes the images is amazing, especially in low light as well. So I'll take some pictures and perhaps do a part 3. Okay. Please like and subscribe if you've found this helpful, or if you think I can do better, or any suggestions you want me to look at on the phone, then just leave them in the comments, and then I can make another video for you. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.